Last example here, example number 6 for graphing. We're going to go through this one pretty quick. So let's find the center. The center is at 2, -2. And we could plot that right here. A is always the square root of the first number underneath. So that's going to be 6. And then B will be 5. C, if we had to find it, is just going to be the square root of 36 plus 25, which in this case is 64. Actually, that's completely wrong. Pardon me, 61. Let's just get rid of that. We'll scratch that. We'll dub over this on the actual video. Probably not, but you can in your mind, I guess. So that's the square root of 61. If we had to do an approximation of that, which is definitely going to help us to graph, we can just type that in the calculator, and the approximation there is about 7.8. Not necessary to go further than 1/10. To do our, let's see here, we got our vertices, and by the way, this opens up and down in the y direction. So all we need to do is go up 6 from our center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that point will be right here, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's our other point, it's our other vertice. The foci are another 1.8 past 6. So you could exploit that, kind of here and just go up another 1.8. Don't have to count off the 7.8. I mean, you could if you wanted to, I suppose. And so that's where they are. And just to do the asymptotes here, all we need to do is use B. In this case, we need to go right by 5 and left by 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be a point. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another point right here. Go to the other vertice and just go right by the same amount. This one's going to be kind of tough, so we'll just do the best that we can without any grid lines here. And then the same thing here. That point's going to be right over here. So to draw our lines for the asymptotes, just going to make them nice and long. Make sure to go to the edges of the graph. And there's the other one, all the way across. And then we just need to draw this thing. And so we'll go from each one of the vertices, and we'll just get close to in a nice curved fashion and approach each one of the asymptotes. And if you need to, you can rotate the paper. I'm trying not to, just to help with the video, but you can definitely just rotate your paper if you're having a tough time drawing any of these. And that's it. This hyperbola is graphed. We've got the foci on there, and we did use asymptotes. Case closed. Done.